This new AI super agent is insane. This new AI super agent is insane. And today I'm going to show you the one tool that might replace every AI app on your phone. It's brand new, it's stupid, simple, and honestly, it kind of scared me when I first tried it. Stick around because this one changes everything. So, right now, you're probably using like 5 or 6 different AI tools, maybe ChatGPT for writing, Gemini for research, Claude for long documents, Midjourney for images, and then something else for web search. And every single time you need to do something, you're switching tabs, you're copying and pasting, you're trying to remember which tool does what. It's a mess. I've been there. I run a team of 50 people. I don't have time to juggle 10 different apps just to get one task done. And that's exactly why this new tool caught my eye. It's called Chatly, and they're calling it the world's first AI super agent. Now, before you roll your eyes, I get it. Everyone calls their thing the first or the best. But here's why this one is actually different. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works live, no fluff, no fake demos, just the real thing. So, what even is an AI super agent? Think of it like this: a normal AI chatbot waits for you to tell it what to do. You type a prompt, it gives you an answer. That's it. A super agent is different. You give it a task, and it figures out how to do it. It picks the right tool, it picks the right model, it does the research, it builds the output all on its own. That's what Chatly is built to do. Here's how it works under the hood. And this is the part that blew my mind. Chatly doesn't use just one AI model, it uses a bunch of them. We're talking GPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, Grok, all the big ones. But here's the wild part: you don't pick which one to use, Chatly picks for you. So let's say you ask it to write a blog post, it might use one model. Then you ask it to analyze a PDF, it switches to a different model. Then you ask it to search the web and summarize what it finds. It picks another one. It's like having a team of AI assistants and a manager who knows which one to send for each job. That's huge because most people have no idea which model is best for what. And now you don't have to know, but wait, it gets better. And I haven't even shown you the best part yet. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so let me show you what this thing can actually do. First up, the all-in-one workspace. Inside Chatly, you can chat, generate images, upload and analyze documents, search the web, and get real-time summaries all in one place. No switching, no copying, no pasting, just one tool. I tested it with a research prompt. I typed in, find the latest AI tools in 2026 and summarize the trends. And it didn't just give me a generic paragraph. It went out, searched the web, pulled in real sources, and gave me a clean summary with actual insights. That's Perplexity and ChatGPT smashed together. Then I uploaded a PDF, a big one, like 40 pages. I said, summarize this in bullet points and give me key insights, and boom. Within seconds, I had a clean breakdown. No reading through the whole thing, no highlighting, just straight answers. Then I tried the image generation. I asked for a futuristic AI workspace with neon lighting, and it made something that genuinely looked like concept art from a sci-fi movie. Inside the same app, no switching to Midjourney, no extra login, just done. And here's where it gets really interesting for people like us who actually use AI for work. I gave it this prompt: plan a full YouTube video about AI tools with a script and a thumbnail idea, and it came back with a full outline, a script framework, and 3 thumbnail concepts. In one shot, one prompt, one tool. That's not a chatbot, that's an operator. Now, let me be real with you because I always keep it honest on this channel. Like, is Chatly the first AI agent ever? No, things like AutoGPT and Devin exist. But here's the difference: like, those tools are built for developers, they're complex, they're hard to set up. Most normal people will never touch them. Chatly is different because it's built for everyday people: students, creators, business owners, people who just want to get stuff done without learning how to code. So I'd call it the first usable AI super agent for regular humans. And that matters a lot more than being technically first. Now, here's what I want you to think about. Right now, most people are still stuck in the chatbot era. They type a question, they get an answer, they type another question, they get another answer, that's it. But AI is moving way past that. We're going from chatbots to agents, from answering questions to completing tasks, from you doing the thinking to the AI doing the thinking for you. And tools like Chatly are the first real step in that direction. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, Julian, this is cool, but how do I actually use AI to grow my business and get more customers? Then you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. specifically with tools like Chatly and AI agents that do the heavy lifting for you. I'll drop the link in the description and comments. Okay, so let me break down who this tool is actually for, because it's not for everyone. If you're a student, this is a game changer. You can upload your textbooks, get summaries, ask follow-up questions, and even get study plans, all inside one app. If you're a content creator, you can plan videos, write scripts, generate thumbnails, research trends, and brainstorm ideas without leaving the app. If you're a business owner or a freelancer, you can do client research, write proposals, analyze reports, and handle a bunch of tasks that used to take hours. And the big thing is the auto tool selection. You don't need to know anything about AI models. You just tell it what you need and it figures out the rest. That's the whole point of an agent. It works for you, not the other way around. Now, let me talk about what I think the future looks like, because this is important. We're at a turning point right now. AI is no longer just a toy, it's becoming a real assistant, a real teammate, and the people who learn how to use these tools early are going to have a massive advantage. Think about it. If you can do in 10 minutes what someone else does in 2 hours, you win. If you can research, plan, create, and execute faster than your competition, you win. And that's what agents like this are built for. I'm not saying Chatly is perfect, no tool is, but it's a real step toward the future of AI. And I think everyone should at least try it and see what it can do. Because here's the truth. Most people are sleeping on AI agents right now. They think it's just hype. But the ones who actually test these tools and figure out how to use them are going to be way ahead of everyone else. So my advice is simple: go try it, break it, push it, see what it can do, and then figure out how it fits into your workflow. Now, before I wrap up, let me give you my honest take. Is Chatly the perfect AI tool? No, nothing is perfect yet. But is it powerful? Yes. Is it easy to use? Very. And is it a real glimpse into where AI is heading? 100%. The shift from chatbots to agents is happening right now, and tools like Chatly are leading that charge for everyday people. If AI agents are the future, this might be your first real look at it. Now, if you want to learn how to use AI super agents like Chatly to automate your workflows and get more customers, join my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best community to scale your business and save hundreds of hours using AI automation and tools exactly like this. Link is in the description and comments below. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. All right, thanks for watching. And if you get value from this, please make sure you like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Julian reads every single one. I'll see you in the next one.